BMW needs no introduction. But for those of you who aren't familiar with this luxury German car brand, it's occasionally described by some as the epitome of sheer driving pleasure. Tangelo are pleased to present this 2020 BMW 8 Series Gran Coupe. Whether you're looking for a car with an engine that packs a punch or enough space for the whole family, you're definitely not going to be disappointed by the Gran Coupe 840i. It really is the jack of all trades. With a 3-litre engine pushing 335 brake horsepower through the rear wheels, the performance heritage of BMW has clearly descended down through to the 8 Series. The exterior is a grand, conservative, yet subtly sporty design in this gorgeous mineral white. Your iconic chrome kidney grille is nestled nicely between your headlights, which are, of course, adaptive LEDs with high beam assist. For those M fans, the car also comes with the M Aerodynamics package and M Sport package, further enhancing the menacing look. The 5 doors make this car accessible and, as mentioned before, perfect for the family. At the rear, we're greeted to 2 huge exhaust tips, tinted rear LED lights and an aggressive rear diffuser. To finish, the 8 Series is sat on these gorgeous 20-inch M-Lite Y-spoke alloy wheels. Don't be fooled by this saloon, as the interior offers an abundance of room, which is accompanied nicely by luxurious features to make driving this car truly special. Speaking of luxury, this huge infotainment system is really accessible, as well as the ergonomically placed control buttons. You're equipped with heads-up display for the driver's convenience, as well as park assist and a rear camera. You're sat on these gorgeous full black leather seats, which are fully heated both the front and the rear. As mentioned before, BMWs are well known for their performance and handling, and this Grand Tourer is no exception. With M Sport differential, M Sport braking system, and the Sport Auto transmission, not to mention the various drive modes. BMW are no stranger to safety, as this car comes with a huge amount of safety features, including crash sensors, side impact protection, and active protection. Not only is the driver living in luxury, but so are your passengers. With room for up to 5 people, a rear center armrest and separate zone climate control, this car is both practical and sporty. And how could we forget the huge 440 litres of boot space? This particular car has recently been MOT'd, giving you full peace of mind when it comes to collection. All Tangelo vehicles are received with up to 3 years optional warranty, 12 months complimentary RAC roadside assistance, and naturally are all HPI checked. We have so much to tell you about this car. We would highly recommend visiting our customer hub in person to test drive, or you can contact our sales team via telephone, email, or online. We hope to hear from you soon.